この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Before we start today's vlog, if you're first time watching our video, make sure you subscribe this channel and click that notification bell. Giving us more likes and comments will really help us out a lot in this channel. And also remember to follow us on Instagram and check out some new merch on our website at fujiwawatofucafe.com. Without further ado, let's get today's video started. What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwawa Tofu Cafe channel. Today we are back here at the shop again, as you can see, because today we're getting the water and the electricity service done. So obviously I gotta be here, right? So they can start working on it. But today we are also here because we got a huge surprise for one of our biggest fan or supporter. His name is Kelvin, and we received a huge order from his mom last week, and I was told that it was for her son's 17th birthday. So happy birthday, Calvin!
Happy birthday! Yay!
Calvin is a huge Initial D fan, just like me, and
he's our huge supporter.
Yeah, they've always showed up at our event since day one. Yeah,
he came every single one.
Yeah, they came every single time, and they never missed out any of our events. So I guess today is time for us to show some love for them. Yeah. So they actually live pretty far away, at least a 2-hour drive. So every time we see them in our events, we always tell them thank you for coming, and we really appreciate that. So let's wait for them to show up, and let's surprise Kelvin together. Guess Kelvin is here already. Let's go surprise him. What's up, Kelvin? Hey, Vince. What's up? What's up? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for coming.
No problem.
Welcome to the Fujiwawa Tofu Cafe.
I heard about this. I saw your guys' YouTube video.
Yeah, you are the first person to come visit.
Yeah, I didn't even know until now.
Hi, thank you for inviting us. We're so excited.
No problem.
Kevin's totally surprised. He's like, wait, where are we?
You guys want to go inside and check out?
Yes.
Let's
Thank
go.
you so much.
Welcome.
Wow, so nice to be here in person. We actually have something for you.
Oh yeah?
Congratulations.
Oh wow! Oh my god!
For your business.
Aww.
All the way from Lancaster.
Oh wow!
Oh my god, that's so cute.
6.
Yeah.
Aww, this is so cute.
Super cute.
Thank you.
Just like a big kid at the after party.
Oh, thank you.
So sweet. Thank you.
We're 106 today in Lancaster, so they're a little on the soft
It's okay. Thank you. Let me put it in the car. Oh, we actually have something for you too.
Go ahead, Kevin.
And this is for you. Here you go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vin.
Open it up.
Oh.
Yeah, this is from your mom, and this is from us.
Oh,
Here
thank
you go.
you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Vince.
Yeah, your mom bought you a lot of stuff from us.
Oh, you're gonna
So
rep it?
thank you.
Thank
Yeah, hope you like it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you. And we also have a surprise for you too. Have you ever sat in an 86 before? No, right?
Well, then hop in.
Today is your day.
Toy socks.
Yeah, today is your day. Let's go for a ride.
Right.
Yeah?
Have fun.
Alrighty, Calvin.
Yep.
Let's go for a ride.
I remember I tried saving up for one of these.
Huh?
For one of these, the Toyota AE86.
It's gonna be hard. It's hard to find one nowadays.
Yeah. I remember I found one on Craigslist a long time ago. It was heavily modified. Like stuff like a strong AC, even automatic windows.
Automatic windows?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to find one. First, we gotta go get some gas first. Alright, let's go. First time in an 86, huh?
Yeah.
When you get your license, what car you gonna get?
I don't know, probably because I was thinking about saving up on an AE86 originally, like 2019.
Oh yeah, if you're gonna get an AE86, then you better start saving money.
Yeah. Because I remember I was thinking about saving on this one I found from Japan. That I could get it imported to Long Beach at the port. But the price is really expensive.
Yeah, it is really expensive.
Yeah,
especially if you're gonna import them. Yeah.
Because you know, I was thinking about what happens if I actually do it, like go through with it. I'll take the car to Arizona to get it signed up.
Yeah, to get it registered.
Yeah, because it's more easy to get it registered over there instead of over here.
Yep. Just register it out of state, you know, it'll be easier. So you don't have to do, small, and you don't have to pay a ton of money just to register it, Different Nissan Skyline.
Yeah, an R32.
Okay, you wanna help me out and pump some gas on the A6?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cap is off. Why don't you try it? Yep. So put it in. Yep, there you go. And then 91.
Alright, how much you want?
No, just press it, it's fine. Yep, there you go. Remove it. Yep, put it back. There you go. And let's get that cap. Yep. The other way, the other way. There you go. So let's close that. Yep, so let's hop in and let's head back. You ready, Kevin? Let's go back. Let's put on the seatbelt first.
Alright, 1 second.
How was it, Calvin?
Oh, good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yay. Yeah, thank you so much for coming over.
Cafe. And a lot of love. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
So much.
You're welcome. So yeah, we'll definitely let you know, once we officially open, so you guys can come again.
Well,
Yep. Happy birthday, Calvin.
Thank you, Vince.
You're welcome.
thank you.
And drive safe home.
Thank
again.
you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
See you guys soon.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
No problem.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed it.
We just seeing him. I know he's a little like, maybe he didn't show a lot of emotion, but he's like,
It's good.
good.
That's our goal. We just want you to
Yes.
make you happy.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We'll see you.
All right, drive safe.
Drive safe.
Bye.
Yep, so that's a wrap for today's video. Here I want to say happy birthday again, Calvin. Hope you enjoyed everything. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Hope you enjoyed all the surprise we have for you. And thank you for always supporting us all these years. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. If you love this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. So I guess I will see you guys next time. Yep. As always, everything starts with a dream.
Bye.
Bye bye.